Hi, basic composition class. How are you guys? We're wrapping up here. Everyone has a 5 paragraph essay done, and I finally finished reading all of them and giving you a grade, and I wrote you back. Hopefully, you can see some notes directly on your paper. I might have circled some things with the little online pencil, and then also written you a note. Um, and I'm a couple days late on getting those back to you. So if you need a day or two to keep writing that rough draft or finding time, that's okay because I don't have to have the grades in right away. So hopefully I can get those from you sometime in the next week. But this video is about just double checking our APA because although, excuse me, you guys have some great 5 paragraph essays, each of you have something wrong with your APA, and I just want to make sure that I send you off to your next writing class with this template. Now, this is the CCU template that's on your dashboard, but I want to clearly just look at it one more time. So just look at the screen with me. Nobody is typing in the words running head, colon, then the capital letters of your title, then the page number over here. Okay, few people have the page number. You're missing the running head. And then make sure that the title of your paper is capital letters. Also, do not make the title of your paper the name of the assignment because that will match everyone else in the class. You want your title to be creative and to be something about your topic in your paper that's unique to you. That will always stick out a little bit to a professor. And then about the middle of the page, you see how this is in the middle right here? Not at the top. Go about halfway down, and then you type in your title page. So it says full title of your paper here. Make sure you capitalize just the first letter of each keyword. You don't capitalize the smaller words like prepositions and articles. And then your name, okay, your first, middle, last name also capitalized, and then your institution, Colorado Christian University, and you should be good. Now, the thing to remember, this must be in Times New Roman font size 12. If you're making your paper in a Google Doc, it will automatically change your font to Arial, font size 11. You do not want that, okay? Now we go to page 2. Make sure the page number changes to 2. You just do that by putting in a header, footer. You'll see it either in Word or in Google Doc. Look for header, footer, and you type it in there. And it will come up on each page and it will show you your options for changing your page number. Now again, your title goes in caps in your header. And then to start your paper, you put your full title of the paper and you center it. Okay? You center it. It says title case centered, not bold. Do not bold it. Don't do anything else. Just capitalize the beginning of each word. Then start your paper on the next line. Indent with a tab. Don't forget a tab key. A tab key is not just hitting the spacebar 5 times. It's actually hitting the spacebar 10 times. So be careful of that. Nice strong intro. This is just filler words, but a nice strong intro with your thesis as your last sentence. That's your goal. A few of you guys, I couldn't find your thesis. So I told you, I don't see it. You know, I have a bunch of sentences that all need to work together to create an idea, but not one single sentence. So I need to see that single thesis. And then you start your body paragraphs. Ideally, a body paragraph, guys, is going to be about 8 sentences. Don't go by this example here, okay? We need to introduce the topic. We need to discuss it with some examples. We need to link it back to your thesis. So you do that 3 times until your conclusion. Now, this template is for a longer research paper, so don't worry about these details. This is if you take investigative writing or research writing. And that is when you will add what's called a references page. So just remember this template. exists when you go to a bigger class where you need a page with references. That's wherever you get your quotes from. Okay? And a couple reminders at the bottom. CCU does not require that you put the Bible in your references page. You know that now because I just told you. Anyway, there's our simple beginning to APA. I think you guys are good to go for your rewrite. Whew, have a really great week, and I'm so excited Christmas is coming. So Merry Christmas, and I hope your family's blessed. All right, have a great day.